Alright, first off, I would like to apologize for the quality of my video today. I'm just getting back into YouTube and I was trying something different, trying to use the GoPro as the main camera because I can't find my tripod. Anyways, also trying a sound test on the GoPro with the keyboard that you're about to see, so let me know how that works out for you guys. But enjoy the video and make sure to comment and subscribe. Alright guys, so it's been a while since I've been here, but I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing of the Corsair H. Alright guys, it's been a while, but I'm back. I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing of the Corsair K65 RGB mini keyboard that I got from Best Buy. I think it was on sale for 88 bucks, and it usually retails for like 110. So let's get to this unboxing. Alright, so here's the box. Here's the back of the box. The back of the box. Hope you guys can read all that. I'm actually shooting this from my GoPro because my iPhone decided it wanted to fall. So, you gotta be careful with it. And just for reference, this is what I'm using now, and this is, sorry about messing up. This is the Logitech, what is this? I don't even know what this is. Logitech K380. Alright, let's move this out the way. Alright. And oh my god, it's so I got it because it was like super cute to me. Look at this. And it changes colors too. So, and I've always wanted a mechanical keyboard, so hear that? That is amazing. So, I'm pretty sure there's other stuff like, yeah, the booklet, safety information card, and then the plug, or not the plug, but I guess we call it a plug. See all that extra stuff in there. I think this is another space bar, which I don't know if I'm going to change it out or not. And then you have the plug to plug it in. Hopefully it works pretty good with mine, but I'm going to set it up and get right back to you guys. Alright, so excuse the wires everywhere, but as you can see, it lights up, which is something that I was kind of attracted to when I decided to buy it. And it actually hooks up to my Mac, so that is amazing. So as you can tell, it clicks well. Let me just set it up real quick. Uh-oh. Wait. Oh, wrong one. Alright. And I'm assuming it is done. So let's try something. Best Buy. Yep. I love it. Sorry, my computer usually not this this slow, but alright, here you guys go. This is the K65 RGB mini mechanical keyboard from Corsair. So see you guys later.